Hi, welcome back to the Violin Lessons channel. This is page 29 of Strictly Strings, learning slurred, staccato, and hooked bows. So when you have two notes of the same length of time, play two or more notes in the same bow direction, stopping the bow between the notes. So slurred staccato. Then, next, when you have a long note, then a short note, the slurred staccato is called a hooked bow. And it can be on an uneven rhythm. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that's the 3/4 hooked bow. Now the 4/4 hooked bow is more square. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now we move on to da capo, DC. It means go to the beginning. And fine means the end. And DC al fine, da capo al fine, go to the beginning and stop at fine. Do not take repeats on the DC. So number 1, it's going to be all slurred staccato. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... lift. Next one is in 3/4 time, so I'm getting my metronome out again. And the metronome is at 80. And notice that you repeat every 4 bars. So there's an A section and a B section. Now the A section has hooked bows in 3/4 time. So it's more of a round kind of round kind of feel. Now the 4/4, when you get to B, is a square kind of feel. Let's go ahead and try this out. All right, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Alright, we're going to go back to the piccata, and we've got the Birch Tree, theme from the 4th Symphony by Tchaikovsky. Now I've got Andante, so it's a walking tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now, we're going to do the Merry Widow Waltz. The Merry Widow Waltz is in 3. Waltzes are in 3. And this is moderato. So, in 3, hooked bows. 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, identifying the intervals and guess the song. So, this is number 5. You've got a D and a D, and then it goes up to A. So, counting the intervals, you count the note, D, then E, F, G, A. So that would be a 5th. Now, you count the note going back down. You've got a B down to an A. So, B, A. That's a 2nd. A to G is a 2nd again. G to F is a 2nd again. F to E is a 2nd again. E to D is a 2nd again. And A, unison. A, G, 2nd. G, F sharp, 2nd. F sharp, E, 2nd. So you can mark all those in. Now we got to guess the song, so we're going to play it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, da capo al fine. All right, so if you like that, like, share, subscribe, comments, and if you can put what the name of the song was in the comments, and the next video is up there. Thank you.